Right, this is a 4-year-old Audi TTS. It's only done 28,000 miles and the boot struts are already tired. When you lift the boot, it just wants to fall back down. It'll stay where you leave it. It needs to be pushed up to the top. It'll hold itself up when it's there, but it feels a bit slack, especially on the left hand side. If you look at the top of the strut there, there's signs of oil leaking, and it also feels quite loose when you rattle it around. The one on the other side doesn't seem so bad, seems a bit more rigid. Part number of these is on the top, 8S8827552A, and I have a couple of brand new ones bought from Audi. Right, the clips on these, one end's just a standard clip that I've seen before that you prise out with a screwdriver, but the other side, it's got a clip that's I've not seen before, and it's easy to fit. You just push it onto the ball, bang it in and it locks into position, but getting it off's quite nasty. You have to sort of just prise it away like that. So we'll get the clip off the bottom end. Might be worth putting a cloth or something underneath just in case you slip, so you don't scratch the car. It's a bit awkward because you haven't got a great deal of room in there, but that should be unhooked sufficiently to lift the boot, push it away, almost, there we go. Now just be a bit careful here because it gets dangerously close to the paintwork. You don't scratch the car. So this is the unpleasant bit. You just bend it away and eventually it gives in like that, which doesn't seem nice at all, but seems to be the only way to get it off. So just clean the balls at both ends. And then to fit the new one in, have you got that? And to prise out the clip at the bottom end, just click it down like that, put it in position, slide the clip up, make sure that's in, and then this seems a bit heavy-handed. You just push it on and it clips in like that, all solid. We'll see how the boot performs. It feels a lot more solid to start with. Yeah, much better, opens itself. Job done.